Want to create viral videos with just a few clicks? In this video, I'll show you how I made over 20 monetizable shorts in just 15 minutes. No scripting, no recording, and no editing required. The secret is an AI tool that handles everything for you. Many creators are already earning big through AI-generated videos on platforms like YouTube AdSense and the TikTok Creativity Program, especially in popular niches like horror stories, history, and motivation. But honestly, doing this manually takes a lot of time and effort. That's why this AI tool is a game changer. Let me show you how it works. First, click the link in the description to visit the Clipwise AI website and sign up using your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see it has a very simple and user-friendly interface. Start by selecting the language for your video. Options include English, French, Arabic, and many others. Then set the duration of your video. I pick 45 seconds and adjust the overall speed and scene transitions to suit your needs. Next, you'll need a prompt or link to generate a video. Here, you can paste a link, and then AI will create a video by getting details from the link. But for now, I will show you how to create a video from prompt. To make things easier, I've created useful prompts to help you create videos. You can find these in the prompt section of our Discord server. Once you have a prompt, head over to ChatGPT and paste the first prompt. This will provide you with 10 unique video prompts for high-quality motivational shorts. Choose one that fits your vision and paste it into the Clipwise text box. After that, select a style that matches the concept of your video. Clipwise offers a variety of styles, including realistic, 3D animation, anime, and more. This is how your visuals will be shown. For this example, I select photorealistic. Once you've set everything up, click the Generate button to move to the Review section. Here, you'll start by selecting a voiceover. Clipwise provides a wide range of voice options, such as male, female, young, old, and various tones, so you can pick one that fits your project perfectly. If needed, you can also select an avatar for your project, but if you don't need one, you can skip this step. Next, let's review the scenes. In this section, you can view each scene individually and make edits to the text if needed. You also have the option to generate new images for any scene, upload your own, or even add additional scenes. Once everything looks good, click Next. At this step, you'll see the first preview of your video. Here you can select a suitable background music track to improve your video. Additionally, you can adjust the music volume, change the video speed, and even add sound effects for transitions to make your project more engaging. Now, head over to the Brand Settings section. This is where you can add your logo and any other details you want to display in the video, helping your audience easily recognize and connect with your brand. The caption settings are also highly customizable. You can adjust animations, fonts, placement, and colors. If you prefer not to include captions, you can simply turn them off. In this section, you can also add overlays to make your videos more visually engaging. Once everything is set, click Next and wait for the output. It only took about 2 minutes to complete, and here's the final video.
Every second you doubt yourself is a second lost. Stop waiting. The world is waiting for you to rise and shine. Imagine standing on the edge of action, the universe echoing your potential. Every step could lead to greatness.
Now, you can download the video or make further edits if needed. Next, let's try creating a viral history niche video in a different language. Follow the same steps as before. First, copy the second prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will then generate 10 unique video prompts for high-quality history shorts. Select one of these prompts and paste it into the text box. Next, choose your preferred language for the video. This time, I selected Espanol. Then, set the video duration, adjust the speed, and pick a style that fits your concept. Once everything is set, click Generate to move forward. In the Review section, select a voiceover that suits your video and take a moment to go through each scene. Finally, add background music, captions, and overlays. Once everything looks good, click Next and wait for the output. Here are some videos I created using this incredible tool.
Ella gobernó con encanto y estrategia, pero ¿qué llevó a su caída? El misterio de Cleopatra comienza ahora. Los romanos llegaban con un plan. Su ambición era la gloria.
Who's the fastest animal? Join us on a thrilling race. Can the speedy cheetah outrun the nimble rabbit? Let's find out. Meet the cheetah, nature's speedster. It can sprint at 60 miles per hour, faster than a car in a school zone. And our little friend, the rabbit. While slower, it's built for quick, agile moves, mastering quick turns.
Attention. Do you feel time slipping away? At 20, you build dreams that can flourish into reality. What will you choose today? At 30, you're living those dreams. Yet the difference is made today. Each challenge you embrace.
Amazing, right? This AI tool makes creating viral, monetizable shorts easier. From generating scripts and visuals to customizing voiceovers, captions, and branding, you've seen how this tool does it all in just a few clicks. If you're serious about creating a channel and attracting an audience, you'll need a consistent stream of content. Clipwise AI tool makes it simple to achieve that. Take some time to explore the available plans and pick one that fits your budget. Remember, with the 60% discount on annual subscriptions, both the creator plan and business plan offer unbeatable value for beginners and advanced creators. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Also, make sure to join our Telegram and Discord communities. There, you can connect with other creators, share your ideas, and get support whenever you need it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.